Hey guys, Mike from Urban Acres, Ontario, Canada. Got my LS I3030H tractor. Ordered a new tank from our friends at Summerix in Michigan. Took a while to get this bad boy across the border. Got the old tank out. Of course, it sits behind the seat here. And we're just looking to see where the issue was that caused all the leaking. Because of course, it's been pouring out for the past couple of months, and it didn't matter if the tank was chocked full or half empty. And as it turns out, let's do the show and tell here, boys. For those of you that have this model,
this is the back of the tank.
This is the back of the tank, so this is behind the seat. You can see that she's cracked right at the seam. So if you've got one of these bad boys, you might want to put some extra foam, because with the air pressure in the tank obviously sealed, that's where she's leaking. So happy that we found the leak. Not so happy we had to buy a new tank, but hey, what do you want? She's 9 years old. Nothing lasts forever. This one came again. The boys at Summerix took care of me. Appreciate that. And they're going to be my go-to dealer from now on.